plane. If you have the farthest plane from the first, and how to get the rest plane and the plane behind you without paying, I can show you. So I better do that. Okay. Now I press there. Okay. And we just have to wait the loading. Wait. I'm sorry about that. Okay. So imagine that. Imagine just that. I can't do super fast. But just think about this, okay? Alright. Imagine you have this one, okay? And you didn't pay for all that was behind it, okay? So, what you need to do is go here. Wait, and then here. Okay. Sure, press there. Okay, here it comes. Okay. And then this is my father's phone. And then you press here. Okay. When it's done sending, you'll come back to home. You can press on continue. And you get every plane. Okay. I got 3, and you don't even need to pay for them. I've done that. I've done that I've done that on 3 planes. I didn't pay for 3 planes at least. Okay. Sorry about the phone being dark. Okay, this is better, right? Okay. As you can see, this is my Airbus A350 that's 1000. Yes. Okay, so I've landed on Miami, Florida. No, Havana. Okay. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.